There are two things going on with Vance. There is this weird meeting we've got here between the tech bros like Peter Thiel, and Peter Thiel is the one who bankrolled J.D. Vance's Senate run. And one of the things that both Thiel and J.D. Vance have talked about is getting rid of what they consider a current ruling class in the United States. That is the people who are in the media, in the universities, in government, both the state and the national level, that they think are hostile to Christian nationalism, and replacing them, as J.D. Vance has said, with a new ruling, he calls it a ruling class. And that is obviously this idea of an aristocracy that is like people like Peter Thiel have talked about, and other of the tech bros, as they call them, this idea of creating a new society based on a very few leaders who are technological leaders who will reorder human society. It's a fantasy. It's also a potentially extraordinarily dangerous fantasy. But Vance is the overlap between that and the Christian nationalists who want to have a ruling society that will impose Christian nationalism on the rest of the country, on the majority, to do things like outlaw abortion and get rid of, a lot of people talk about getting rid of women voting, creating a hierarchy in which a few white, heteronormative, wealthy men rule over the rest of us, rather like a bourbon Democrat, actually. Interesting.